Hello and a good day and a warm welcome from all of us here at Bibaswan Educational Foundation. As we all know that the NDA 2 examination is going to take place on the 14th of September 2025. As such, our team here at Bibaswan Educational Foundation have taken up the initiative to do an analysis of the examination question paper on the 21st of September 2025. This will not only include a holistic coverage of all the subjects in the examination, but to present to you a certain analysis and to allow you to gauge your performance in this examination and allow you to prepare for the future endeavors as well. I'll now pass on the mic to the respective faculties as they elaborate on this topic further.
Hello students, I'm Priyadarshini Rakshit and I'm your faculty of English.
Hello students, I am Amit Kumar Mahato and I am faculty of Science and I am going to discuss science paper on the day of 21st of September. So wait and watch, we are going to discuss the entire paper with detailed analysis and I am going to pass this mic to our math faculty, Saket sir.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं साकेत चौबे यहाँ मैथ फैकल्टी हूँ और मैं 21 सितंबर को मैथ के पेपर एनालिसिस करूँगा। जैसे हम लोग मजे से करते आ रहे हैं, तो आप लोग को सभी को ऑल द बेस्ट।
And my name is Shantan Vishnu. I specialize in general studies over here at Bibaswan Educational Foundation with a focus on polity and history. With this particular focus in mind, all of the faculties over here at Bibaswan Educational Foundation wish you the very best for the examination, and we'll see you all on the 21st of September 2025 on YouTube exclusively. Thank you.
We wish you all the very best and we hope that you will give your best in the examination.
Thank you for learning with Bibaswan Educational Foundation. For contents like this, follow us on Facebook and Instagram today.